When you thought everything had been written and defined in the waterless and rinseless world, here comes Idrosave by Labocosmetica. Meanwhile, let's talk about what Idrosave is first and foremost. Explain what a waterless and rinseless wash is. The technology allows us to be able to wash a complete car using very little water, or in total absence of water, where we should opt for a waterless solution. Idrosave is a pH-neutral product, so that alone helps us place it within an imaginary pH scale. It is an extremely concentrated product, so a product that performs even at higher dilutions. It is a basic eco-sustainable product, because the technology is eco-sustainable. It is also biodegradable, making it a modern and innovative product, one that faces and addresses the challenges of the future, especially those that require us to pay more attention to the use and exploitation of water in the best possible way. What, however, makes Idrosave different from its competitors? What makes it a step ahead? First and foremost, it is a product designed to have a triple action: wash, shine, and protect. Washes, shines, and protects a shampoo? It is possible. In Idrosave there is a lot of technology. Mafra in recent years, and then particularly with the Labocosmetica brand, has innovated a lot, has studied a lot in the world of nanotechnology, and then has been able to maneuver, to manage this technology and infuse it into some products. Idrosave is the face of the new Mafra technology, Labocosmetica, of the studies that have been done in this regard. There is really nano inside Idrosave, and that means washing in waterless and rinseless mode. So with very little water but giving finish to the surface, to all the exterior surfaces of the car, body, glass, seals, plastics, everywhere. Idrosave is able to add effective, true protection. This will also extend the maintenance time between washes. Idrosave will work almost like a real sealant. Clearly, we are not talking about the performance of a dedicated coating, but a very good sealant, that is. Idrosave, just because of its nature, will be able to give finish to all surfaces. Imagine even plastics, gaskets. Well, you will protect any surface. How does Idrosave work? How does it clean? Why did we talk about a neutral product? Idrosave is based on a new surfactant technology, but these surfactants are born precisely for rinseless and waterless use. So they leave very little residue and can be removed easily with a microfiber cloth. Despite the fact that waterless technology is also a very lubricated product, so safe, face the waterless and rinseless world with confidence, because with Idrosave you can do it. And now I'll show you how to wash your car with very little water or no water, using Idrosave di Labocosmetica. How to prepare Idrosave for waterless use. We mentioned that the product Idrosave should be diluted 1 to 100 for optimal performance. So it is a very high dilution. In 500 ml, we have to add 5 milliliters, just 5 milliliters of Idrosave, and we do this by using a cylinder, clearly a small cylinder, because the amount of product you have to put in is really minimal, with a scale that allows you to easily calculate 5 milliliters. We pour the Idrosave product into the cylinder. We measure our 5 ml and pour it into the bottle. Labocosmetica has very convenient, transparent bottles because they give you the ability to indicate the name of the product used, the intended use, the dilution chosen, even the date the mixture was made, and additional relevant information as needed. Pouring Idrosave. We complete with water. We screw the dispenser on firmly. And voila, our 100th Idrosave is ready to be used. We have prepared our Idrosave for the waterless mode, and here is our 100 to 1. Now I give you some directions on how to use it in rinseless mode in the bucket. The product is always Idrosave. We have 10 liters of water. Into this amount we need to pour about 40 ml of Idrosave. But consider that sometimes for a wash. Rinseless on the whole car, you might even need only 5 liters of water for convenience. We put 10. We always agitate the product. We pour our 40 milliliters into the cylinder. Then into the bucket. We give a stir to our solution. And now we are ready for our waterless wash. We prepared our surface with Preludio, in this case alkaline, which helped dissolve most of the road dirt, insects and everything else, in short, that can be found on the car. The product has acted, it has done its pre-soak action. We are ready to complete the wash and make the pass with Idrosave in rinseless mode. The Ideal cloth, it's really called Ideal then, by Labocosmetica, is extraordinary, the exterior one for this type of action as well. Simply dip it in the bucket. Let the cloth soak itself of the solution. And very gently go over the surface. So what did we do? To recap, we pre-treated the surface with our alkaline Preludio. We have washed with Idrosave and also appreciate its already active water repellent effect. Now we are ready to dry with the Labocosmetica drying cloth. Clearly absorbent side without having to rinse. Let's go. Idrosave, we said, is a rinseless product, so for rinsing without rinsing, effectively and efficiently. But it is an extraordinary waterless solution. We saw earlier how to prepare it in 100 to 1 dilutions, so it is a product with incredible yield. Incredible, remarkable system economy. Now let's see how to use it in waterless mode. We pre-treated our area. In this case we used Preludio acidic, because we had stains that could be traced to mineral deposits. The product is still here acting. We now use the waterless Idrosave with the Ideal outdoor cloth. How to be able to use it? Because there are two systems, either by spraying our Idrosave directly on the surface and then cleaning it with the cloth, or by spraying it on the cloth and then wiping it on the surface to be cleaned. I frankly prefer, since we already have the surface, Wet Preludio, spray it on the body. Take advantage of that action that it has, and then just moisten the cloth as well. I'm off. One more thing, final closure on Idrosave. We have said, and we have also shown you how to use it from waterless. So in 1 to 100 dilution with a classic spray. But what I didn't tell you before is that if we add a 10% alkaline Preludio or acid Preludio to this 1-to-1 solution, we will have our alkaline or acid waterless. This is something wonderful because you can manage your waterless solution simply by using Idrosave or by adding one of the two preludes.